Today I'm going to show you guys the EMA strategy that I use. Alright guys, so this is going to be quick and sweet. So basically I just have the 30 EMA, which is the blue line, and the 200 EMA, which is the red line. And whenever a price reaches one of these lines, I basically get the opposite of what the price is doing. So if the price, like right here, the price was going down to the 30, I got calls right at the 30 with a 30 tick stop loss and a 45 tick take profit. And as you can see, it worked out. It worked out right here. It worked out right here. Worked out right here. Right here. This one would have wicked down and got your stop loss, but these probably would have been good with your stop loss at 30. And let me see. And right before this big move this morning, where it went from $16,009 to $16,056, so a 56-point move just off this candle. I was trying to get into this trade, but it actually didn't fill me. But look at this. It hit the 30 EMA and it bounced all the way back up. As you can see, again, 1, 2. That would have been 2 trades, because you probably would have taken profits on this and then just waited for it to go back down and taken profit up on this big move right here too. So that's my go-to strategies. I use the 30 EMA and the 200 EMA, like right here. Boom, hits the 200, boom, up. Hit the 200, boom, up. See, you gotta recognize which one you want to go for. Obviously depends on the time, day, session, if there's any news. You just gotta be aware of what the market is overall doing. Like right here, you would have got inputs right here. You would have gotten stopped out, but then if you would have gotten calls here, you would have just rode this whole move. Basically, the odds in your favor, and you just gotta make sure you respect your stop losses. Otherwise, you'll get burned on some of the move. Because like any other trading strategy, it is not 100%. It is not. But I say at least a 70% it works. So if you go down here, look at this. It's riding the 30 EMA. Boom, trade right here. Boom, trade right here. Boom, trade right here. Boom, trade right here. Boom, 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 all the way down. I think I actually got some of these trades in last night. This was during Asian market. And then I had a trend line right here, which I used on the 30-minute. Not showing up for some reason right now, but that's the only reason I didn't worry of the 30 EMA right here, just because that trend line, there was a lot of buyers down there, so didn't hold like it wanted to, just because it was a bigger move. But yeah, make sure you use this in your trading. Make sure you come back and you like, comment, and subscribe if it works for you. If it doesn't, let me know as well. Just because it worked for me doesn't mean that it's going to work for you guys. So just back test it. Make sure you try it out. It's been working perfectly fine for me. Like right here, I just took a trade for 2 contracts, made $425 on my 150K account, and I'm gonna pop it somewhere up on the screen right here so you guys can see. And also, quick little update, I am at 156,000. I need roughly 3,000 more. I made $1,108 today, but we're looking good. 59%, we're looking solid as of right now on this account. This is my 150K tops up account. Just so there's no haters out there, let me go ahead and refresh it real quick just so you guys can see that it's 100% real. Yep, so we're looking good, guys. We're on day 8. We are so close to the profit. I wanted to take this account slow and steady instead of trying to like do it all in like 2-3 days, but it's been working out. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and like always, have a blessed one.